everyone, this is Minsha Kapoor and welcome back to my channel. Today I am so excited for this video because this is my first ever collaboration video. Yes guys, we did it. So today I am going to collab with the Glamego box. Guys, this is one of the most affordable subscription box service available in India. Now I have tried so many subscription box, but this one is so affordable and it has really good products. It's totally worth the money that you spent. Now this company called Glamego, it provides beauty and skincare subscription box services all over India at a very affordable price of just $2.99 a month. I will be putting down the link to this subscription box service somewhere down below. Now the most interesting part of this Glamego box is that it is customized as per your skin, as per your complexion and as per your requirement. So once you go to their website, you can choose what skin color you have, what problems you face with your skin, do you prefer makeup or not, or various other such products. And they will customize the entire box as per your requirement and ship it to you every month. So let's go ahead and unbox this surprise. Now as I open it, first of all, you have to appreciate the box. It is so sturdy, so colorful and cute. This is definitely gonna be useful after using all the products. So it comes with a cue card which says summer skincare products with the SPF and sun protection. Alright, so this is the special summer box. Oh my god, there is so much stuff inside it. Let's see what all we've got. The first thing that I see is this Flamingo Pink and Peonies Lip Moisturizer Stain. Ooh, it's a lip stain. I was dying to try one since a very long time. And it says that it is 100% natural. Alright, let's check this out. Now the cue card says that the product is selected for Eminent Vogue Beauty Awards 2018. Ready? And it leaves your lips moisturized with a lovely tint. We need to try this. Okay. That's a really beautiful light pink color and it smells very nice. It smells like bubble gum. So this is supposed to leave a little bit of tint on your lips. Works well for me. Next we have this Tajori Wild Turmeric Anti-Tan Treatment. So I have heard about this brand called Tajori and it is like an indigenous brand. So what is this basically? It's like a clay mask and you're supposed to mix it with water or rose water and apply it all over your skin and neck and wash it when it is dry. So it has things like kasturi manjal, white turmeric roots, natural white clay, botanite clay. Alright, so all the good stuff for your skin. Now this product is priced at rupees 525. So do you guys see that we just paid $2.99 for this box and what we've already got products worth 1,000 rupees? Next we have this NELF USA Fairness Compact Powder. Now the best thing about this box is that they actually mailed me to know what is my skin shade so that they can match the product. I I know I'm going to use this a lot during the summers to keep the skin matte and oil free. Now this compact with SPF will protect your skin from the harmful UV rays, and this one is priced at Rs 350. We are not done yet, there are still 2 more things pending. Okay, next we have this Vedic Line Gold Facial Pack. Now I have already used this one before and I know that it is of a really good quality. This is supposed to give luster and glow to your skin. This is the proper facial kit which you can use at home. Wow, there are 6 different packages in this. So we have the massage gel, the scrub, the pack, moisture serum, cleanser and cream. Wow, thank you so much Glamego box. I know I'm really going to enjoy this. By the way, that was priced at Rs 350. And lastly, we have this Natural Bath and Body Vital Nourishing Cream. It has grapefruit and vitamin C in it. This will lighter, whiter and brighter your skin. This small pack is really cute and really helpful to carry in your bag so that you can use it whenever you want. It smells really nice. This is going straight in my office bag because I know I'm going to use this a lot, and this one is priced at Rs 150. Now I have a surprise for you all. Since this is my first ever collaboration video, I have got a referral code for you all. So whenever you refer a friend, just ask them to put in your email ID in the sponsorship link and you will be getting 50 rupees credited in your account. And then you can purchase the Glamego box or various other beauty and skincare products from their website. And for now, put in my email ID while ordering your first ever Glamego box and let me know how it was.